it's Anissa. Today I have for you a very innovative deal. It's a disposable cutting board. Let's face it, cutting boards are bulky, messy, and just plain hard to clean. This product solves that problem. It's disposable. Take a look at this. This comes in a roll, just like foil, but it's a cutting board and it's made of BPA-free food quality plastic. Now, while it is disposable, you can actually reuse this. It's that good a plastic. I love that you can cut this to any length you want. You get 15 square feet of material, and you don't even need scissors. It comes with a cutter built right into the box. Now, this is great in the kitchen, but it's also wonderful to take with you camping, on a picnic, and it's wonderful for parties. But you can use this for so much more than food. It's great as a fridge or drawer liner. It's also wonderful to protect the tabletop when you're crafting. Now, here's how I used it. I recently set up a coffee bar. I was able to custom cut this to fit my coffee bar perfectly, and I'm loving it. This is fantastic. You simply cut, use, and toss. Or if you're like me, you'll reuse it. One thing I want to point out is our price is insanely low and we have a limited quantity. So you're probably going to want to buy a few of these. Head on over to Pulse TV and buy some today.